Hey, thanks, Anthony.
Stanley, been together since 2007.
Wow.
Yeah.
Every night and
11
then,
years.
yeah. Stanley, he's the type of driver, which all of my guys are like it. He don't use the computer in the truck, but he don't burn that cell phone. He'll send a text, hey man, Sunday evening, I'm empty in Houston. Look, be in church sometime, hey man, I'm riding. The old lady look at me, who's that texting? Sometimes you get me in trouble. He gonna get the freight there, he's not gonna, even when I don't have my load, he don't complain. You know what I want, I'm waiting. Yesterday he came in, he said, he was in Mississippi.
Pascal.
He said, I'm coming up for the celebration, have me in Houston. Got me to Houston, he already loaded, he's ready to go now. He probably gonna text me Sunday and say, I'm in. But when I give him a load, I don't have to worry about it, I can rest. If he got a problem, he gonna call, hey, way before time. He need to be off, he gonna let me know a month ahead of time if he need to. It helps me. But like I say, but the job they do every day, each one of y'all, it take God. Go out there every day, no accident. I mean, y'all have a dangerous job. I appreciate what all y'all do. Like I say, my dad was doing it. He's gone now, and you just don't know what to do for a family. So thank y'all.